Hello students, now I am going to start question number 4 of exercise 8.2. Now question number 4 says the cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Now rupees 450 were spent on its repairs. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the article. Now suppose I purchased a old bicycle which cost rupees this 15,500. Now before selling I need to repair, and this much money I spent on repairing. So what is the cost price of the bicycle or whatever I have bought? So here it is said that the cost of an article was rupees 15,500 and money spent on repairing was rupees 450. Now, so this is the money I spent on buying this, and this is the money I spent on repairing this. So what will be the total expenditure? So to find the total expenditure, these and these to be added. So we'll write cost price of an article is rupees 15,500 plus 450. So this is only the cost price. When we add these two, then we will get the total cost of the article. Okay. So if you add this, 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 4 plus 5 is 9, and then 5 and 1. Okay. This is the cost price of an article. Now it is said that if it is sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the article. Selling price means the price at which you sell the item. Now, before finding selling price, we need to find the profit. Here profit percentage is given. We don't know the profit, so we will have to find the profit at first. So profit will be profit percentage, which is 15%, multiplied by CP. Now this will be always on CP. Profit percentage will be always on CP. Okay. Or if they make loss percentage, then that also will be on always CP. Okay. So 15% can be written as 15 by 100 multiplied by CP is 15,950. Now if you cancel the zeros, we have 15 here, 15 multiplied by 1595. Now so 1595 will be multiplied by 15. So 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 9s are 45, 45 plus 2 is 47, 7 4 carry, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 4 is 29, 9 2 carry, 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2 7. So 5 1s are 5, 9 1s are 9, 5 1s are 5, 1 1s are 1. So 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 1 19, 1 carry, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 3 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2392 divided by 10. Okay. Now we are not cancelling this because we know that it is easier to do division by 10, 100, 1000 like this. So since here is 1 0, so that means after one digit we will have to put the decimal. So 2392.5. So this was the profit they made. Okay. Now we will have to find the selling price. So what will be the selling price of the article? So selling price of an article is, this is the money, this is the cost price, and with the cost price, if you add the profit, then you will get selling price. That means CP plus profit is the selling price. If you add the cost price with the profit, then you get the selling price. So selling cost price is 15,000. This is the cost price 15,950. Means this much money they spent on purchasing this. Okay. Now, and this is the profit they made. So 2392.5, and if you add these two, we will get the selling price. Now this is again in whole number and this is in decimal number. So at first we will have to write in decimal number. So after point there is one digit. So 15950.0 we will write, and here we have 2392.5. Now if you add this, 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, 9 plus 5 is 14, 1 carry, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 1 carry, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, then 1. So it will be 18342.50. So this was the selling price of an article. Okay, 18,342.50. Okay, so this was all about question number 4. Thank you, students.